Hi, I'm Jennifer Dornbush, forensic specialist, author, speaker, and screenwriter. And I'm here today with a question about murder, A or B story. So a writer emailed me this question. When writing a crime drama, do you make the murder investigation the A story or the B story? Great question. Well, traditionally and typically, the murder mystery plot is going to be your A story. Your investigator protagonist is driving the case, they're trying to solve the mystery. And then the B story is usually something that's maybe more personally related to them. And so there is another B story going on with his character or her character. However, the main plot drive is the murder mystery. However, there are some examples, some exceptions to this, and I think you see them often in humorous, amateur, or paranormal crime story types, where the murder mystery is really placed in the B plot line as the crime-solving storyline becomes kind of the backdrop to something bigger that's going on with the protagonist. So, a couple examples: Monk, Pushing Daisies, and Grosse Pointe Blank. So for instance, Pushing Daisies, this is one of my favorite humorous crime shows that was on a few years ago, and you have this character Ned, who's a pie maker, and he's often roped into helping solve murders because he has a special gift to be able to do that. I won't give it away. So that's kind of his B storyline, is that he's always being asked to come along to help use his gift to solve these crimes. However, his A storyline has to do with the love story between him and his love interest, who I believe is Charlotte. It's been a while since I've seen the show. But that's always the A story, is you're watching it because you want to see what's going to happen between Ned and Charlotte. So there are a few more exceptions to this rule, but for the most part, you want to build that A storyline on your murder mystery plot. And a great example of this is sometimes it can be more than two investigators. Prisoners, the movie Prisoners, is a great example of where you have two leads who are investigating the same case. It's not a murder, but it is a crime. And it's just a wonderful example of how solving the crime is a great A storyline for actually two different protagonists. So, thank you for your question. This is Forensic Fridays. See you next time.